Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify session timeout UX with Firebase Custom Claims, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what session timeout UX entails. Session timeout is crucial for security and user experience. First, ensure you have a Firebase project set up. If you haven't created one, go to the Firebase console and set it up. Next, enable authentication in your project. Choose your preferred authentication method, such as email. Now, navigate to the Firebase Cloud Functions. Create a new cloud function to handle custom claims. In your function, import Firebase Admin SDK to manage claims. Initialize your Firebase Admin app using your service account credentials. Write a function to apply custom claims based on user roles. For example, you might set admin privileges for specific users. Deploy your cloud function to Firebase by using the terminal or command line. Next, refresh your Firebase database rules if necessary. Ensure you check the user's claims whenever they log in. Implement this check in your app's authentication flow. Now, create a front-end component to display session timeouts. In this component, use a timer to count down session duration. When the timer reaches the threshold, trigger a logout function. This logout function should notify the user about session expiration. Customize the warning message for improved user experience. Also, consider offering a way for users to extend their session. Connect this extension functionality to your backend. Make sure your backend verifies the user's current session state. After implementing these features, thoroughly test the user flow. Test various scenarios, including normal usage and expiry checks. Collect feedback from users to refine the experience. Lastly, document the entire process for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.